Hi guys, it's been a long time. How are you guys doing? I'm Sammy and welcome to this newest video. So for the past few weeks, I have been asking people the same question that do you guys know of any software or any website or any service where I can just note down all my client transactions, their data, all my invoices, all the proposals, contracts, etc. Now the surprising thing was that I did not get any answer for this question, but other people requested me to tell them the answer because they are finding the same thing too. So I thought, why not just make a video and research on it a little bit. After tireless researching, I found this website called the Fiverr Workspace, and let me tell you, it is by far one of the best ones, especially for freelancers. Also, yes, just a disclaimer, this is not a free website. Before we jump into the video, subscribe to this channel, comment down below, like this video. I'm Sammy. Let's get started. So when you are a freelancer, you guys have a bunch of different things. One website for invoicing such as PayPal or Stripe, another website for contracts, another website for proposals, another website for writing the emails, and bunch of other things. So why not have something which is like having everything under one single roof? Why is that? Because everything is so cluttered. I want something which is under one single roof, right? Fiverr Workspace is just that. It is by far one of the best ones I have used. There are many other websites out there. However, the user interface of this website is so smooth that anyone can use it at the first go. If you guys don't believe me, I'll just show you guys what this is capable of in the next part of the video. So if you guys are interested in checking out Fiverr Workspace, then go to the link in the description below and you guys will get 1 month of free trial of Fiverr Workspace. Of course, it has a free version too. If you guys opt for the free version, you guys can add only one client and invoice to that client only. But if you guys buy a subscription which is around $200 a year, trust me, this is one of the easiest purchases you guys can make as a freelancer because of all the organization it has under one single roof. Don't believe me again? Just jump straight into the video and show you guys. So this is like the main page where you can see all the items. So on the left hand side, you are going to see the main desk, main homepage, clients, projects, invoices, proposals, contracts, subscriptions, time tracking, transactions, payments, statements, shoebox, etc. First one is the clients. Of course, these are the names of all the clients which you have worked with. So if you guys have recurring clients, you guys can use this. Save your client's name, save your client's data, and at the end of the year, you guys can see the amount of money you guys have earned from that particular client itself. So for those, I'm using this panel. Of course, I cannot really show you guys the name of the clients which I'm using, so I cannot really do that, but you guys get the idea. If you guys want to add any new client, say client A, you guys can click on client A, write all the details and save the client. Second one is projects. Projects are all the ongoing projects for all the clients which we have mentioned. Say for example, client A has project A. That project A will go here. Invoices are all the invoices you guys have created for all your projects for all your clients. Pretty easy and understandable, right? So if you guys have created any project, you guys can create an invoice too. It will give them reminders. It will also notify you if they have viewed the invoice or not. It will also give them a payment gateway to directly pay using the invoice. Say for example, they have PayPal, they have Stripe, they can use it directly there. So credit cards and PayPal is already there. Also, no transaction fees from Fiverr Workspace site. PayPal and Stripe, they have their own fees. Those will be as usual as per their regular charges. Next one is proposals. Proposals is something like if you want to pitch someone, if you guys want to like make a project proposals like branding goals, the goals of the project, the pricing of the project, and then you guys can create a contract with it as well. These are like totally legalized. You guys can see the contract, you guys can sign the contract, and all the things are very legal here. I know that making contracts are a hassle, so they have like a good template options for all the things out there. So just make sure to put the main things such as your name or address, your project details, pricing and stuff, and you're good to go. You can send it to them. You can see whether they have viewed the contract or not and then sign it back, and then you can approve the contract as usual. This is like the game changer. Everything is there under one panel. When was the last time you guys saw that, right? That is like the main USP of Fiverr Workspace. Everything under one panel. Is there any other option like this on the internet right now? Probably not. I have seen, tried, tested many websites. More or less they try to do the same thing, but it is very hassle. Like the user interface is not good, or the entire thing which I as a freelancer need is not there. Maybe for a business it is good, but for a freelancer like me who has kind of a business on the freelancing side, all the softwares are not really that good. Now while I was researching about this website, I got a lot of comments from my friends that why are you not using Zoho? It is a free software. Now I have tried Zoho before. It is a CRM software. It is good, really good. However, it is not meant for freelancers. Had it been for a business or so, Zoho is just perfect. However, for free freelancers, which Fiverr Workspace is specifically catered for because it has all the things a freelancer actually needs. Freelancer or a content creator or a YouTuber for that matter. However, for Zoho, it is very cluttered, very disorganized in my opinion. For every single thing, it has a bunch of different other websites to go through. For invoices, it has a different website. For CRM, it has a different website. You guys can connect each and one of them, but it is a very damn long and lengthy process. Why would you want that? I mean, why would you just waste so much amount of time when you have all the freelancing gigs to complete? Come on. So save some time, go to Fiverr Workspace, and it is one of the best ones to go to. Also, by the way, in Zoho, you cannot really make any contracts or so. You guys need another software anyway. But in Fiverr Workspace, you guys are getting everything under one single roof, like I mentioned before. Next one is subscription. Of course, if you guys have any clients who are taken in for a subscription basis, this is the way to go. Time tracking is another one. If you guys are like doing your projects on an hourly basis, you guys can use a time tracker here. Set your project, set your pricing, and you guys can separately choose your pricing for the individual projects you are doing as per your fees. Transactions are like all the transactions you are doing. Payments are like your payment gateways, your branding, your logos and stuff, your integrations. So of course they have PayPal, they have Stripe and stuff. That is very easy to at least know, I guess. Statements are like your statements, so there's nothing to say about that. Shoebox is like another thing where you can collect all the email receipts and documents and store them in one place. That is one of the things this have. This is something which I did not personally use a lot, but all the other features I genuinely use on a very regular basis. So that was Fiverr Workspace. If you guys like the video, if you guys want to check out Fiverr Workspace, check out the link in the description below to get 1 month free of Fiverr Workspace. However, if you guys want to go for the free version, go for it, try it out. However, you guys can add only one client to it. With that being said, if you guys like this video, press the thumbs up button, comment down below, subscribe to this channel, share this with your friends. I'm Pixel Sammy. We'll be back with a new video soon. Peace.